How to fix Google Play payment decline error. So you might be in the position where you try to make the payment in Google Play, but you land on the interface where it says your payment has been declined. In order to fix this issue, first of all, head over to your Play Store. Click on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Different options will be visible to you. Head over to Payments and Subscriptions, and then move into Payment Methods. It will land you on this page. So over here, what you want to do is, you simply have to change your payment method. Or you can try deleting the card that you have added and then add it again. So all you want to do is, enter your card number and also enter other necessary details. After that, tap on Save. Once it has been done, the next thing you can try doing is, head over to the settings of your device. Inside Settings, scroll down and then head over to Apps. In this page, search for the application in Google Play Store. Scroll down and tap on Storage. What you want to do is, you have to clear the cache and the storage of the application. In order to do so, tap on Clear Cache and then tap on Clear Storage. Click on Delete. After that, your storage and the cache will be cleared. Clearing the storage and cache means removing all of the unwanted bugs. It will make your application run smoothly. And it might also fix the issue that you have been facing. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Google Play payment decline. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.